my face tonight. Mountain roads and fading light, raindrops dancing on my skin. Feels like I'm alive again. And maybe I don't need it all. No big dreams to make me fall. I'm riding through the rain, oh, let it wash away the pain. No fear inside my chest. This road knows me the best. No heat, no shelter, I don't mind. Storm or sun, I'll be just fine. I don't need to be on top, I just ride, I don't stop, yeah. People chasing something more, running fast but feeling poor. I just follow where it goes. Every mile my spirit grows. Wet road shining in the night, headlights cutting through the light. Every drop that hits my face feels like freedom, not a race. Engine hums a steady sound, no one else is around. Just the wind and blurry lines, leaving all the noise behind. I don't care how far I go, I just know